everyone, this is Pavik and I'll be sharing with you how I tried to set up my study table in a very affordable manner. So I hope you guys like the video. As you all saw in the previous clip, I was arranging my trophies, so I dedicated this whole little section to just showcase all of my previous trophies. So you can have a look at how it looks like. There is this magnetic door that opens up and there are several compartments within it which allow for better organization. So these are some of the additional artificial flowers that I had that I was thinking of presenting over here. So I'm going to be adding these to the fake plants. I'll fix it behind the camera and I'll just bring it back to you guys. So this is how the floral section looks like. Next, I added in some fairy lights. Again, I already had these with myself. These are 1 meter long. So I just tried to place it across as neatly and as visibly I could. Hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching and please do subscribe. Thank you.